Hold the dog accountable to the commands they know, correct for disobedience. Reward the dog for self-soothing. It will help to make different protocols to manage different situations you may find yourself and your dog in. For example, places in public, at home, or whenever new or old guests come over. As your dog improves self-soothing, they can be involved in more stimulating environments as long as they stay engaged with you. Be patient with your training. It takes time and patience to manage hyperactivity in dogs. Do not get discouraged if you do not see results immediately.